Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Pluto TV's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Pluto TV's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in my.pluto.tv and make a search. Log into your Pluto TV's account using your login credentials and the homepage of Pluto TV's account will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, tap on Sign Out option. Confirm signing out of your Pluto TV's account by tapping on Sign Out once again. This is how you can log out of your Pluto TV's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.